Lady,
Yes.
I have something for us to open. So I'm going to sing the package song, and I'm going to put it on the chair that's right next to you. So I have a package, I have a package, I have a package. Yes, I do. Woo! Mama,
What?
you get the honors of stabby poking this open. Okay, Mama, what's inside?
Look, just for you, it's a stitch. Another stitch. Don't know what that is. More stitches.
That's not Stitch.
Oh, look at this fruit thing. Pixar.
Yes, so
What is
these are, that's from Miniso, Mom, and these are going to be blind boxes where you can get a bunch of different characters from Disney, and they get little fruit hats. Do you know why I bought it?
Because it's Disney?
No, because of the fruit hats.
Everybody loves a good fruit hat.
Uh-huh, but yeah, we'll open those in another video. What else is in
wait.
there?
Oh my Lord, she has so blooming many stitches.
He's dressed like a shark.
Baby shark dude. And
There should be 3 of those in there.
Yes. Are we not opening these? Or
No, you can open them. They're all the same.
Oh, they're all the same? And
Yes.
what are these that we're going
You'll find out.
So, by the box, so this came from some foreign country?
This came from Miniso, which is a Chinese, like, they're kind of like IKEA or like a Daiso kind of thing. They just do all the things.
Okay.
And obviously, whenever I saw that they had Stitch, I got it, and it's licensed, so yes.
There you go.
Now I got 3 of their stitches. So look at these, Mom. These are all blind boxes too. Can you get it out?
Yes, I can.
And we'll open these in another video too.
Let's at least take it out of the wrapping.
At least one of them out of the wrapping. So anybody who's part of our fandom, you guys can try to see the size. Oh,
skizzers.
please hold. Okay, Mama. What is it?
Stitch Trip Collection. Or Collectione.
Yes. So I couldn't get like a big box of those like I did with these ones.
Look at him. He's riding a moped.
Yeah, but look at all the options you can get.
Oh my goodness. So yes, here we have beginner on the road.
Show them all the whole.
Old style, childhood memory, limited hours job, writing diary, and dream comes true. There we
English
go.
is impeccable.
Yes.
But they are very, very cute. Dream comes true.
Look, read.
It's very cute.
Isn't that
Le
French?
rêve devient réalité. Yes, it is French. And this one says secret.
Oh, and a secret one.
Yes.
Okay.
But we'll open those in another video, Mom. But I figured you wanted to see these.
I think you should have read them all in French because it would sound actually prettier than English.
Okay. Débutons sur la route, style ancien, mémoire d'enfance, travail à temps limite, journal de bord, le rêve devient réalité et secrète.
A secret. So there
Si.
we go.
Oui.
It sounds much fancier when you say it in French.
Oui, oui.
Oui, oui, yes.
All right, so
All
Mom, we'll open these in another video for all of your fans. Are you cheating? Are you cheating? That's a whole box of blind boxes.
Oh boy.
So actually, if you want to see what they all are, let's pull one of these out to show everybody.
Oh look, okay, well they're very colorful, very cute colorful.
The box is a little squished, but show them the side.
Fruit themes.
It's the side.
Oh look, here we go. Chip and Dale. Oh my goodness, I love the A. Look at Winnie the Pooh. Of course there's a Stitch, Red
And
Panda.
Panda May.
Panda May.
Yes. And Lotso.
And Lotso. Are they all the
They're all going to know, because it's a full box. We'll get one of each of them. So you just have to
Okay.
guess which one each of them is.
Gee, okay.
Okay, we'll do those in another video. Okay, Mama?
Right.
All right. Anything to say to your fans before I end the camera?
Have a wonderful day. And be the same.
Cheers.